It's 6 a.m. We're in Peoria, Arizona, suburb of Phoenix. Let's take a look at the progress of the remodeling of the McDonald's here, the one I always go to. Looks like they've taken out a door there. If you look, you can kind of see the seam and the word welcome above it, but it looks like there won't be a door there anymore. This is the back of the building, so there are doors in the front. Well, let's ride. Looks like the high temperature will be 112 today, but it's 76 right now, and it'll be in the 70s and the 80s for the next couple of hours during my ride. Right now we're going due north. I don't usually go east this early in the morning. Here, I'll show you why. Stay with me. Ouch! Oh, that thing is blinding. And here in the west, where the skies aren't cloudy all day, when the sun comes up, it comes up like a laser beam. Here, I'm going to turn north again. There, now I can see where I'm going. Luckily for me, I'm just out riding for fun, so I can go any direction I want to. And the direction I go is north by northwest. Now we're going past the Casa del Sol Resort trailer park. Mobile home community. My parents taught me to say that. And now we're going past the, let's see, what does it say? Little Scholars Academy. Private preschool. Scholars? Well, I guess they are. I wasn't much of a scholar in preschool. I remember eating glue, but that was about it. Now we're going past one of those irrigation water gates. And let's see, what street is this? I can't see the street sign. Not sure what it is. I'll look next time I go by. Going past the bus stop. It's gotta be just awful sitting in those things when it's really hot in Phoenix. But some people have no choice. Okay, we're coming up to Sunnyside, which is my turn, so I'm going to turn left, which is, which way is that? West. Here we go. And you can see by the long shadows that the sun is very low and right behind me. So cars coming towards me are pretty much blinded by the light. You have to be careful. Give them plenty of room. And I realize that the world that I live in looks very different from the world that most people live in. These are the back roads. This is very early in the morning. Nice and quiet. I just love doing this. A couple of common questions that I get is, where am I going? And how many miles do I put on? And my answer is sometimes kind of vague, but I calculated how many miles I do, which is 8 to 10 every day. And where I'm going is is just my next stop for more coffee or to get rid of it. Well, that may be more information than you really wanted. But here's some more information. Let's see if I worked out the calculations. We'll say about every day, 300 miles a month, and then over the course of the year times 12. I can't do that. We'll say somewhere around 3,000 miles a year. About that. And I guess one of the reasons that I'm thinking about mileage is I'm wondering when I'm going to need to change the tires. They're still in great shape, so no worries yet. We're coming into the Fry's Shopping Center, which is on Cactus Road and 75th Avenue, and I just love to stop here at the Jack in the Box, get some coffee, maybe I'll have some eggs later on too. And just remembered it's Father's Day, so I want to say Happy Father's Day to all you wonderful fathers out there. Thanks for riding along with me. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.